Alright, this is a movie I'm making today. It is February the 4th of 2011. This is the progress on the Strand Model Railroader's new HO layout we're making. All in here, you can see all this has been done, the track. In this area here will be a roundhouse and engine service facility. And we'll come on around. Track's coming along really good, cork road bed.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm just cleaning up.
Taking a video. And where the area is going to be there. Staging area. Tracks are coming down nicely. I'm doing some testing on there. I've been laying cork today. All that work down on the end is my work. So, got a lot more to do, but we're getting there. Over here, this area here will be part of an industrial area. Tracks will go in there and there'll be a branch line starting from there. There'll be a Y right up here. Tracks are coming down. You can see we've got cork work done. I did most all that cork work up here. Gluing it down, putting the pin in it down. Here on the bottom, I pretty much did all this cork work today. So we are getting there. It'll take some time. All this area up here will be a branch line. It'll be built up. Tracks coming around. There will be a branch line up in this area. Here's the gorge. It's been painted. This is going to have a tremendous, huge bridge. As you can see, it is all painted at this time. And we'll come around. The HO layout we have set up. It's our old scale layout we're running. And this is part of the other part of the gorge coming through.
This is just massive scale, you know, HO. Yeah.
And there's the progress we've made this day on February the 4th, February the 4th of 2012. We're plugging right along. So hope to get some trains running up all the way around the track soon.